What's up guys, it's me Udemy Geek. So the question is that is the Udemy $11 $12 courses worth it? Before it was for like 10.99 cent, now it's like 11.99 cent. Back few years ago I said, like 3 years ago I said Udemy courses are not worth it, but right now there are really some good high quality Udemy courses. On the Udemy website, especially, I'm not talking about in general like programming, like good programming courses, digital marketing courses, but there are really some good like farming courses, like apiculture, fish farming, poultry farming, beekeeping, handyman, carpentry. These are the courses which people are really willing to pay like $1,000 just to learn, for example, like apiculture. Fish farming, which is one of the very rarest knowledge in the world. I think 3 or 4 university only teach you fish farming in the world. So I have bought some courses, or you can learn drone, unarmed vehicle, something like that. It's called, the full acronym is for farming. So I'm more into like agriculture farming. I have taken some of the courses, especially even digital marketing, social media. $12 is nothing, to be honest with you. $12 is nothing. Some people say, Gmail, should we do $600, $1,000? Yeah, $1,000, $999 digital marketing nano degree. I say no. Just watch the $12 Udemy course. That will be my answer. Again, it depends. Some courses are crappy, some courses are good. But for programming, digital marketing, especially for digital marketing, you get some good courses. For programming, it's much better you learn with Trimtree, also Linda. But for other than that, for learning a new skill such as farming, apiculture, handicraft, you have a lot of good courses on the website. So it was me, Jimmy Egg. Make sure to subscribe, and bye.